This is a wind deflector installation video for a Camaro from 2011 to 2015 with a Sportbar install. The wind deflector is designed to easily fit inside your Camaro with no modifications to your Camaro. It easily can be installed and withdrawn in under 30 seconds. We will now go into a more detailed description of how the wind deflector installs in your Camaro. Your Camaro has 4 holes designed for the wind deflector, 2 in the front trim panel and 2 in the rear. The rear brackets slide into 2 holes right beside your rear seat, and the front brackets attach to the holes in the front trim panel. Start by putting your top down and putting your seats forward. Then flip both rear brackets on the wind deflector open and slide the wind deflector into the rear seat area. Slide the 2 rear brackets into the holes on each side of the rear seat. Then slide the barrel bolts forward into the holes just underneath your sport bar. Turn the handles down to lock the wind deflector into place. When not in use, your wind deflector easily stores in the trunk of your convertible.